Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. A very beautiful morning, and the timing is 5:34. And I was just came on the roof to talking to you to shoot a video. So today's topic is if you don't have any partner to talk, so what you can do to improve your communication skills while at home. So as a housewife today I will share with you few tips which I follow, and that's why day by day I my English speaking become a good. You know why I am saying this? Because I realized that when I started my journey before 1 years ago, at that time I was not able to speak, but right now I can speak, I can understand, I can talk to anyone. But sometime, yes, if I will try to speak with native speakers, yeah, at that time I will have fear. But right now I'm just doing to remove that fear also. But yeah, I am doing. So if you are a beginner, if you are thinking like that I don't have any partner, so see guys, I don't have any partner to talk in my home also, because my husband is talking in Hindi language and sometimes he speak his mother tongue, which is very different. And I'm not talking to my son, like my in-laws, because they also speak in Hindi language. So it is very impossible for me to speak English with them, right? I'm kind of shy person also. Okay, so how I am improve my English? So today I will share with you few tips in this video. So watch this video till the end, because I can say this video will be very useful for you if you're a housewife, if you are a girl, if you are anyone whom you want to improve your English speaking journey while at home. So this technique will help you, definitely that will help you. So rule number 1 is you have to talk. Guys, I can understand so many things. We are focusing on grammatical things, we are focusing on pronunciation, we are searching vocabularies new every day, we are learning so many. But until we will not start speaking, I don't think so you will able to speak that sentences, you will able to, you have that much confident to speak with someone. And why we are doing these things? Because of speaking. So self talk is very important. So here just you have to sit one place and you have to remind to yourself, okay, what you have done. You can speak, okay, like today I'll go for the shopping and today I purchase this, today I go for the market to purchase some vegetables. You have to tell everything, every situation you have to tell in the English. So rule number 1 is very simple, that you have to start self talk with yourself. And seriously that will help you to enhance your confidence, and you will able to search new vocabularies also. Because in our day, in our housewife life, in our situation, we don't know so many vocabularies. When we start learning so many vocabulary, when we learn so many sentence structures, we are talking about that. So we are able to understand, okay, let's find out the meaning of that word. Okay, so that's why I'm just saying to you, just not focus on the grammatical part, just focusing on the speaking part. Okay. And the second thing is consistency is matter a lot. Seriously guys, here I'll just give you my example what I did. Guys, I spent more than 1 years in this journey of English speaking journey. But what I realized, that I have a small baby and he is 2 years old, 2.5 years old. At that time I was started my English speaking journey. I realized that I was not consistent. And you can understand that when you have a small baby, so you are not able to maintain the consistency, right? If you have these kinds of the problems like a baby, so we can understand that. But apart from that, if you have anything, any situation, so don't try to break the consistency. Because I realize that if Nitu, if I will not break the consistency, I'm able to speak more fluent. And now whatever I have now confidence I have Lord, I have a big confidence to talk to you. So try to break not consistency, because consistency matters a lot, राइट। जब हम एक चीज़ को 10 बार बोलते हैं ना, 10 बार सोचते हैं, 10 बार उस चीज़ को करने की कोशिश करते हैं, दैट इज़ मैटर अलॉट। यू विल सी द कॉन्फिडेंस व्हेन यू हैव द फर्स्ट डे, एंड नाउ व्हेन यू हैव कंप्लीट योर 100 days, एंड यू विल सी द चेंजेस इन योर speaking journey. You can realize anything, guys. So that's why you can don't try to break the consistency. And the one more thing, try to take some more efforts. मैं अपनी बात करती हूँ, लेट्स ट्राई टू टॉक टू माई सेल्फ, यू नो गाइज, वेन आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्पीक विद like us, like whenever I try to speak with like small who has the speaking journey with me, at that time I am so confident while talking to them. When I realize that okay, that person is very good English speaking journey, so at that time I feel nervous. I think that if that person will make fun of me, if that person make, because he easily he can find me my error in speaking journey. So that is the thing, it's coming in my speaking journey. So right now I'm just solving that fear also. So that's why two things is matter a lot, consistency and try to take some more efforts. never judge कि आपका वो person मजाक बनाएगा, right? तो ये मेरे अंदर है, but आप मत सोचना, okay? So right now I'm just telling you third tips, which is one of my favorite, because when I started my English communication skill, at that time I realized that I did so many self-talk. I talk to myself every day, but it's working, because in my in whenever I do my self-talk, I was speaking fluent English. But when I try to speak with different people, then I realized that Neetu, my I am bubbling, क्या बोलते हैं बड़बड़ाने को, I'm bubbling, and I want to say something and I was doing so many pronunciation mistake. I want to give that answer, but I'm not using very correct sentences. So these things I was doing, and when I realized that Neetu, now self talk is enough, now you have to jump to in another class. And then I decided, okay, let's do a conversations video and let's try to make conversations video. Then I jumped to in it. So why I jumped to in that, and when I was doing these things, I realized that yeah, these help me, because हम जब हम अपने साथ बात करते हैं, I think that we are okay. But when we are trying to speak with other person, and the same things same in the same time we have to reply that thing, reply the answer in English. So we are listening carefully, we are trying to give that answer in English. So our brains start working, and our brains start searching that yeah, how can I give that answer in an English, right? So try to do conversations video in a day, and try to do only one conversation, only 10 minutes. If you're free enough, at least 10 minutes, you can do it. But start doing. And if and the, now the big problem is that we are unable to find out the partner. So just I have a simply say that if you do want to do conversation, you can message me, and definitely I will reply you, and I will try to make a conversations video. And see guys, I have one thing, like I have a baby, so I have a suitable time like 2:30 or 3:30. That is my time to do a conversations video. If you are free at that time, yeah, you can message me. Otherwise, in the YouTube we have lots of conversation who is making conversations video. You can send them message also, and they will respond, because they are also searching our partners whom they can talk, and whom can they post their communication skills video. So that is also our need, right? So rule number 3 is very good. I think that you have to work on that, and I have to end this video now, because if you want to speak this language more and more, I think that you have to make efforts, you have to put efforts here. Try to use try to learn new things. And the four things which everyone tells you: learn, listen so many English contents which help you how the people are speaking, the way of their speaking. Because I realize that now, like, people have their own accent to speak that. Like right now I am following Ramchandran sir. He has different accent. No, he is very simple accent, but I think that he is a South Indian, so that's why his accent is different. Sunita Rawat, she has also a different and the more Priyam. So right now I'm just following three these peoples to improve my communication skills. So try to listen these types of content in English which helps you to give, which helps you to think in an English, which helps you how to give that answer in an English. So these things, guys, I am following. I think that that is enough to talk, to think about it. So just try to do that, and seriously it's helped me a lot. Okay, so have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Let's meet in another video. If you like that video, so you can likes me, and if you want to watch more videos, so you can subscribe my channel also, and it's boost my confidence to make videos. And if you want to do any conversations video with me, yeah, you can comment me, and definitely I will try to give you answer also. So bye bye, guys.